SEO analytics refers to the process of tracking, analyzing, and understanding data related to your website's search engine performance. It gives you insights into what's working and, more importantly, what needs improvement. Without SEO analytics, you are flying blind. It helps you understand which keywords are driving traffic, which pages are performing well, and where you can optimize further for better performance. Popular tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, and Ahrefs help businesses track website traffic, keyword performance, and even backlinks. These tools give actionable insights into how well your SEO efforts are working. Metrics such as click-through rate, CTR, bounce rate, keyword rankings, and conversions are crucial for measuring SEO success. Monitoring these metrics enables you to adjust your strategies and focus on what truly drives results. SEO analytics allows you to identify weak points, track improvements, and continuously optimize your website. The goal is to align your strategy with what users are searching for and keep improving based on data-driven insights. SEO is a long-term game. Regular monitoring of your SEO performance ensures you are staying on track. Track your results over time to see the growth and refine your strategies as needed.
Want to grow your brand? Contact Maharishi Digital Hub today. Let's take your business to the next level.